I stuck my hand straight into boiling water and pulled out a cooked egg without any pain. My stepdaughter Susan saw it, but what happened next shocked her even more. I opened the hot oven and took out a blazing roast with my bare hands. Susan could barely believe her own eyes. After finishing dinner, I even took out a car battery and secretly ate it. The next morning, while I washed dishes, Susan told her father Jack everything she had witnessed. She suspected I was an alien, but Jack loved me deeply and refused to believe her. He insisted on marrying me. One day when Jack left for work, I talked to the smart home assistant and ate 3 whole batteries because I was extremely hungry. Susan saw this and called Jack. She lied and said the house was on fire to lure him back home. Jack rushed back only to find there was no fire at all. He scolded Susan for lying, which left her upset. Susan ran out of the house angrily. Jack and I hurried to chase after her. Susan ran so fast that she almost got into a car crash. I had no choice but to use my alien powers to save her. At that moment, Jack finally believed everything his daughter had said. The rescue completely changed how Susan felt about me. But Jack felt a little sad. He never imagined his wife would be an alien being. I had to tell him the whole truth. 3 days earlier, Jack sent a signal into outer space using lightning. Something unexpected went wrong, and the signal hit my home planet instead. It brought huge disasters to my world. The elders of my planet sent me to Earth to find a way to save our home. Jack felt helpless knowing this. All of a sudden, a flash of lightning lit up the sky. Electric current surged between Jack and me. Jack stared at the metal button on his chest and immediately realized this metal button had altered the signal's path. We got ready to head to a research institute right away. Before we left, the smart assistant told me a secret. Once I saved my home planet, I would have to destroy the Earth. I could not understand this order at all, so I left the smart assistant behind at the house. Jack and I rushed to the research institute quickly. However, the smart assistant copied my voice and tricked Jack's brother Ron into bringing it to the institute too. Meanwhile, Jack launched the corrected signal once more and successfully removed the disaster threatening my planet. Right then, Ron arrived at the institute with the hidden smart assistant. After Jack learned the assistant planned to wipe out Earth, he tossed it into a plastic tube to stop its plan for good. The council from my alien planet appeared again, determined to destroy Earth. I tried my best to explain everything and shared all my warm memories on Earth with the council. They understood the planet disaster was just an accidental mistake made by Jack. They canceled the order to destroy Earth. I had fallen in love with Jack, so I chose to stay living on Earth. Ron, who had been watching everything quietly, was deeply fascinated by alien life. When a beautiful alien woman stepped out of the spaceship, Ron said he wanted to show the aliens all the wonders of Earth. The Alien Council welcomed Ron to visit their world. It was truly a fairy tale happy ending.
Spin ka panashi makhj zama pat spin ka panashi sabar ba mizrasta da didan shi sabar ba mizrasta da didan shi makhj zama pat spin ka panashi makhj zama pat spin ka panashi sabar ba mizrasta da didan shi sabar ba mizrasta da didan shi sabar ba mizrasta da didan shi مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي خمارو د رنزور کاړیا سترګو خمارو د رنزور کاړیا سترګو خمارو د رنزور کاړیا اوس کله علاج می بلندان شي صبر با می زستا د دیدن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي پختنا ولې ناراضي اوس مې په پختنا ولې ناراضي اوس مې په پختنا ولې ناراضي اسه به خراب د مینې خوان شي صبر با مې زستا د دیدن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي د برباد عبدل زرین کړما اسه د برباد عبدل زرین کړما اسه د برباد عبدل زرین کړما او आवाज د خالد شامز ر پیوان شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي مخچ زما پټ پسپین کپن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي صبر با مزرستا د دیدن شي